Today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I make a sword from a hardened steel bolt.
It's not any random sword though, it is the sword called the Royal Knight's Broadsword, from the series of the Legend of Zelda video games. Oh, and did I tell you? I ain't going to be using a single power tool on this entire build.
Start in the middle, work your way.
Piece of rebar right here, and this sword tang right here is too short to have a pommel, a guard, and a handle that I can at least wrap two hands around it. What I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to try to forge weld this piece of rebar onto the end of this tang. Okay, because I'm not doing this outside.
No loss, she knows so long.
So I got this little piece of cut off triangle file that I'm going to turn into a sword scraper, so the way I can get that scale clean and I can make more tang.
Now that I got this cold chisel right here, I gotta sharpen it and make a handle for it, but I never said anything about not using power tools on this, now did I?